Stress is aging your face. Let's melt it away together. Using your thumb and index finger, gently pinch the small fleshy area directly in front of your ears. Apply light, comfortable pressure on both sides simultaneously and hold for a few breaths to release built-up tension. This area sits right over the temporomandibular joints TMJ. Massaging it helps unclench the jaw and relax tight chewing muscles. Stimulating the acupressure points in this specific spot can alleviate tension, headaches, promote a feeling of overall calm. Place your index and middle fingers right behind the curve of your jawbone, just below your earlobes. Let your mouth fall open slightly. Slowly shift your lower jaw from side to side. Continue this gentle movement for a few seconds to unlock deep tension. This movement directly targets the masseter muscle, which is heavily involved in chewing and trace clenching. By relaxing the muscles that constantly pull and clench, this exercise can help soften the look of the lower face over time. Turn your head slightly to one side. Using the index finger of both hands, place one finger right in front of the ear opening and the other directly behind the ear. Apply gentle steady pressure. Take a deep breath as you hold this is to instantly calm the nervous system. To repeat on the other side. This specific finger placement perfectly targets the pre-auricular and post-auricular lymph nodes, making it amazing for draining stagnant fluid for depuffing the face. Gentle pressure helps alleviate tension, headaches, and the pressure that built up around the ears from stress. Open your mouth comfortably and extend your tongue. Slowly sweep your tongue from one corner of your mouth to the other. Keep the movement smooth and deliberate. Continue this side to side motion for 10 to 15 seconds to really feel the stretch in your neck and jaw. The tongue is a strong muscle attached to the neck and jaw. Moving it in this way actively engage and straightens the area under the chin, helping to sculpt and define the jawline. Using one hand, place your index and middle finger on your forehead, spreading them apart slightly to create a gentle vertical stretch. With a finger from your opposite hand, firmly but smoothly massage upward right through the middle of that stretch. Continue this upward sweeping motion for a few seconds, then switch and repeat on the other side. It smooths forehead lines by holding the skin taut and massaging upward. You are directly targeting and smoothing out horizontal forehead wrinkles. Bend your index finger, place your knuckle at the center of your chin, gently glide them outward along your jawline all the way to your ears. Then massage your ear in a circular motion, then sweep your knuckles smoothly down the sides of your neck. Repeat this a few times. Our faces hold excess fluid and the main drainage pathways run right behind the ears, down the sides of the neck. Sweeping this fluid downwards drastically reduces overall facial puffiness. The firm gliding motion from the chin to the ear helps define the jaw contour, reduces the appearance of a double chin. Using your index finger, gently massage the area right at the end of your eyebrow, your temple. Use small light side to side motions. Close your eyes and continue this soothing movement for a few seconds on each side to melt away eye strain. Using your fingertips, find the high point of your cheekbone just beneath the outer corner of your eye. Gently massage along the bone. Using small side-to-side motion, keep the pressure light and comfortable. Continue for a few seconds on both sides to lift the cheek and release built-up tension. Use your thumb and bent index finger to gently pinch your lower cheek. Hold for a few seconds, then smoothly glide your finger down the sides of your neck. Repeat on both sides. Pinching this specific area targets the masseter and buccinator muscle, helping to unclench a tight jaw and soften the lower face. Gentle pinching action brings fresh oxygenated blood to the surface of the skin, promoting a plump natural glow. Bring your hands to the center of your forehead. Using your middle finger, slowly glide upward from the base right between your eyebrows all the way up to your hairline. Alternate your hand one after the other in a smooth, continuous rhythm. Let your eyes fall heavy. Just breathe into this deep, relaxing stretch. Consistently sweeping the frontalis muscle upward help counteract gravity, promoting a lifted, youthful brow over time. Form a long O shape with your mouth. Using the heels of your hand, press firmly into your temples. Massage in slow upward circles to lift the side of your face and melt away any tension. The muscle at your temples is a major chewing muscle. Massaging it while simultaneously stretching the jaw open reduces deeply rooted clenching and TMJ discomfort.